What's up, guys? It's your girl Erica, and welcome back to our channel.
You ain't even let me introduce myself.
Oh,
you ain't shit, bro.
what's up, guys? It's your girl Erica.
It's your boy Mariah.
And welcome back to our channel. As you guys can see, and as the title says, we're doing a seafood mukbang again. We got a little king crabs in there, just a couple, you know what I'm saying? Not so much.
They at the bottom. They ain't king crabs, they medium crabs.
They cream.
Cause we live upstate.
That's the one?
Yeah.
All right, scratch that. Medium king crabs.
Facts. This the size the fucking regular king crab, the regular crab should be.
That is ridiculous. Anyways,
YOLO.
before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video.
Make sure you guys comment
some videos, some ideas, whatever.
Comment the moon emoji.
How many this time?
7. That's my favorite number. We're going with 7.
All right. Well,
comment the moon emoji 7 times, and we'll give you a shout out in the next video.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get out of here.
All right, but so we got here some garlic butter sauce,
some Italian dressing.
Because
I like my cucumbers with Italian. We got some baby potatoes, some shrimps,
some squamps.
Usually we use the head off shrimps that have the shell, but somebody got the wrong shrimp.
I did not. He said head off, and I was like, yeah.
You ain't see that?
No, not even. Shells? I literally said, babe, do you want head off?
I said head off.
Yeah, head off. He's the one that picked those. It was either those or the head on.
So they probably didn't have it.
I guess not.
Well, yeah, we usually get
It's the same damn thing.
No, it's better with the shell. It's just
it's less work for me. I could just instead of
when your parents don't feed you.
When your fiance don't feed you.
Who's feeding you?
Yeah, she be throwing it down with the seafood. I ain't gonna lie.
No, you just try to say I don't feed you. She always trying to make me look bad in front of y'all.
That is not true.
It is true.
I tell them all the time, even in our last seafood.
You told them the last episode that I'm a slob. Now I don't feed you. What's next?
Oh my God. All right, so
put your phone down.
No, we gotta.
That's all she been doing, bro. You always on your phone, and you don't give me no time.
That is not true. I be trying to do TikToks and like
she a TikTok thought. That's what I call.
They probably can't relate because I know everybody doing TikToks.
Yeah. You a hater.
Oh, all right.
I got my cran mango juice.
I got my cran mango juice. Oh,
that is not. Why you lying? Why you always lying? Why you always lying?
This is.
Oh my God.
Anyways, this is mango cranberry.
You stole my juice.
/ pineapple / New Amsterdam. But anyways, we ain't gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about this food. So, what we talking about, babe? Since you want to talk about relationships.
Let's talk about sex, baby.
But what the?
What you put in there?
What you put in there? You the one that made this sauce.
You know, honestly, I think that is.
It's because it was dried up.
That other sauce.
What? No, it's not.
The butter.
No, it's not. It's because it dried up.
The butter?
Yes, the butter dries up and it gets like that.
That's nasty.
It is nasty. So stop. Hello. Dip.
I'm eating.
Stop.
Cheers.
Stop.
Cheers. Ooh, let's do the challenge.
What challenge?
We can't wipe our mouths at all until we're done eating.
Fine.
If you do, you gotta tell a secret
Deal.
about yourself.
Deal.
How was your day?
My day?
How you doing with the Rona?
It's alright.
Just alright.
Mm-hmm.
Are you scared?
A little bit.
Of what?
Of getting the virus. Only because it's deadly and because I have you in the house.
Your boyfriend?
Mm-hmm.
You just ate a whole shell.
Alright. So, first question. Would you rather be able to detect any lie you hear or get away with any lie you tell?
Detect any lie here. Because I don't like lying. Unless it's for food stamps. No, I'm just kidding.
I would rather the same.
Why? Coronavirus!
Who would want to get lied to? Like, I wouldn't.
You lied to me. Return of the Mac once again. Return of the Mac.
You ain't eating.
I am.
I'm out here crunching. I'm dogging and shit.
Cause you be.
You didn't even eat none of your.
I did eat half of that. I love garlic. And it's probably one of the only seasoned things I can have right now.
Right.
Because I got diabetes. Temporary diabetes. From this goddamn steroids.
Yeah, but you're not on it no more, so.
Yeah, but I still got temporary diabetes.
Yeah, but you're not on it anymore.
Until further notice.
Well, yeah, true.
You know how hard it is to not eat seasoned food?
You know how hard it's me for not cooking seasoned
You
food?
can have seasoned food, I just can't.
Yeah, but it's not the same. Like, it's not fair. Like,
It's,
not fair.
babe, I don't mind.
I know that, but I just like.
You're so cute.
I'm a rider, yo.
Ride or die, fool, ride or die.
All the time. All the time.
Okay.
Alright. Would you rather get with your boss to get promoted or give up the promotion?
Is the boss cute? Am I single?
That is not the question.
Get with my boss for a promotion or give up the promotion.
Period.
Do I still keep my other job? Or do I just lose the job, period?
Why you?
Alright, fine.
Just answer the damn question.
I would have to lose the promotion. Because you ain't getting this for free. I mean...
Wow.
I can't just be giving
Well,
it up. You gotta owe people know that.
I know that. If it was up to me, I would give up the promotion. Because I'd rather work my ass off to get where I need to be than give it up and get it easy with. Which I don't knock people for doing it. It's
That's y'all business.
to each their own.
Yeah.
But
That is not my job.
that's not where I, you know.
Category.
Yeah.
Selling your ass for some cash.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. As
I mean,
long
that
as
would be
them dollars-
nice, cause you know.
You better give them big dollars.
Would you rather find true love or be rich?
Find true love.
I would find true love too.
Stop trying to be like me, bro.
No, I'm not. And comment below if you guys
Think we lying.
No.
Because she's lying.
I'm not. If you like, what would you rather do?
You stingy, bro.
I can feed you.
No, I don't want it.
And I got a little crab in there. Yeah. Stop!
I don't.
Why you just can't be cute?
That's my baby, bro.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. You gotta eat the whole thing. I want to just. Show me again. Show me again.
I want you to crack that crab for me.
Crack that crack. You're not getting my crabs. You like? You like crabs, babe?
I like your crabs.
Don't play with me. She always trying to violate me. I can't watch this break. It's gonna break. You mother.
Hey.
A is for horses.
Watch your mouth, Missy. Mister, I mean.
You just burped.
I
heard that. You burped.
I said, I mean, mister.
And then I heard and then you started drinking.
Girl, bye.
It's alright. I'm sure it's on camera.
Girl, bye. It's not on camera.
I just got shit on my shirt, didn't I? It's on my chin.
You can't wipe.
You wiped your mouth. I seen you.
No, I didn't.
It'll be on camera.
What, with my hands?
Are you telling on yourself?
No, I'm asking you.
Or are you telling me?
I'm asking you.
She lying. It's alright. We gonna see.
Yo, I'm saying, I'm asking you with my hand. Ow, watch this.
We gonna see, Ella.
I'm asking you.
You would go for the big one. I try to be nice and not go for the big ones. Now I'm gonna eat them all.
What are you talking about, Billis?
Billis.
Willis?
Who's Billis?
I said Willis.
You said Billis.
I said Willis.
If this piece of crab don't come out and stop playing with my emotions.
You know what I hate about these things? Is that it's like, you gotta sit here and fight with these shits.
Facts.
We need to get a cracker thing. Babe.
That's what you got teeth for.
I need a tissue somewhere.
You can't use the tissue. It's the no wiping challenge. Me no wipe your mouth.
This how you do it.
Go get the scissors.
That's how you do it. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that clean cut. Ooh, get up.
This juice is so sweet. You don't want that. That shit is good. Why? I thought you broke it for me.
Babe, I was mad excited to eat that. You're an ass.
It went to a good cause.
Kiss my ass. Now break one for me. I struggled hard for that.
That's not how you ask. Muddy sucker. I'm breaking one for you, baby. I got you.
Thank you.
What piece was it? This one? The bottom one?
Yeah.
You better eat what's in that top part, girl. That's all meat in there.
You owe me one.
You better act like you know. All right, I got you.
I hope you guys are staying safe
Out here in these streets.
during this quarantine thing.
Quarantine? It's quarantine. Yo, you Ed, bro.
If you cannot, I mean,
Stay your asses in the house.
if you can, stay home.
It's not if they can, because they can. They just don't be wanting to.
Nobody wants to stay home, especially now that it's starting to get nice. Like, nobody wants to stay home.
I don't mind staying home.
I mean,
That's how you stay out of trouble.
yeah, I know that, but
I'm about to bend the fucking fork with this shit.
I'm saying like
I needs my meats.
okay. Let us know, comment below if
y'all social security numbers.
if you guys like that we do these mukbangs, or like
give us some ideas to talk about in the mukbangs, because we clearly don't know what to talk about right now.
Really? Because we could definitely do more mukbangs. That is not a problem, you heard?
Damn, I smell the shit out of that. A cucumber? It's got a strong scent. I'm about to sleep good tonight.
Nothing?
Nope.
You gotta lean in.
I couldn't grab it. You was pulling out my mouth.
Bae.
Go sick.
Why you wanna fuck with me when I'm eating?
You
Damn.
got a problem?
Yeah, I'm trying to go in and you over here.
I'm trying to go in too, girl.
Where?
In them panties.
Yeah, right.
I'm celibate, guys. I'm making her wait until marriage.
I bet she is.
I think she's getting tired of me. She's sexually frustrated. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I won't give it up.
Yep.
I'm a virgin. A virgin. Just
Damn, babe, over here. Going ham.
meet me at the crib. It's going down.
Damn. Meet me in the crib. What you did? What you do?
None.
Oh.
You almost put your potato in there. You'd have been tight.
No, I wouldn't. I would just eat it.
That's nasty.
How you know it don't taste good with that?
Taste it. How you open this shit?
Crack, move it up, babe. Go up.
I did go up. These big, I should have thought about this before fucking doing this.
There you go. There you go. Right there, babe. Right there. Next question. Would you rather have
Now that's how you open the crab.
$1 million now or $5,000 a week for the rest of your life?
5,000 a week for the rest of my life.
Was that a quick trick question?
It was supposed to be.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess it depends. That's me. Babe.
Now I done tried to give it to you and you ain't want to take it, so now you're not getting it. I'm just
I get my own.
Wow.
I cracked good.
I'm That's why you almost dropped it. Stupid.
I would rather get $5,000 for the rest of my life, but certain people would rather have.
That mill's gonna run out.
If you know how to use it and how to spend it, it will last you.
1 million is gonna last you the rest of your life.
You can make it last you with doing other shit. If you ain't smart enough, then you gonna run out of it.
I'd rather take the 5 still, cause I can still live a normal life, save up for a couple years till I get $1 million, have that, invest that, and then still have 5,000 coming in for the rest of my life. Or I could just live off of the 5,000 a week and save up what I don't need or what I'm not using. Or if I want something, like something expensive, save up for that.
And me, I would do the 5,000, but I don't know. I guess it all depends, like what situation you're in right now.
That's it.
If you really need the money.
Money, 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 money.
I don't know. I feel like it just all depends.
Can you break me off in the crowd?
Maybe.
You know what? Screw you.
I will.
No, I'll eat my own.
I'll open it for you, baby. Come on. Come on. Give me it.
I don't want you to do it for me no more.
Alright.
I'm gonna do it myself.
Alright.
No, I'm just kidding. I'll do it. I'll do it, Zeddy.
I'll bet. Camera start recording. For some odd reason.
Wasn't me.
It was you.
It wasn't.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. What you doing?
Why you got scared?
Because I don't trust you. You probably do something crazy.
You don't trust me.
Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. And like this video. Turn on your post notifications and share our video. Stay tuned.
Since we in the coronavirus era.
I mean, I'm still in the process of working and stuff like that. Unfortunately, like some other people. But we're definitely trying to post more. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that way you get notified every single time we post a video. Also, we will put our social media in the description below. Make sure you guys go and follow us on IG and Snapchat. We have our individual... We have our own and joint account on Instagram. So make sure you go and follow us. And we will see you in the next video.